Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about SOUN stock and key level to watch February 24, 2026. In previous trading session, the stock permitted bearish spin bar candle. So the first key support level is $7.02. If the price goes below $7.02, it could test $6.52. The key resistance level is $8.15. If the price breaks above $8.15, it could test $9.02. That's my view on SOUN stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.